You have requested it, and this time I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when it says fail to play test tone. Gmodism, total nerdery channel. Well, hello and welcome to Gmodism Total Nerdery channel. Today we're going to fix this issue, fail to play test tone. So if we take up our playback devices, like this, and we go to speakers and we right click on it and we say test, it says failed to play test tone. Well, that's not very fun. And this tutorial has been requested so many times, and finally, I should say, I've gotten this issue myself as well. So today I have the great chance to show you actually how to fix this problem and just not talk about it. So what usually causes this issue is the drivers. So what we need to do is we right click here and select Device Manager, and then we get up this thing here. We can find sound. And here we have the different sound devices. This, as you can see, is Realtek high definition audio. So let's see here, driver from 2016. Right, so we can try and do like this, right click on it and update driver software and search automatically for another driver. And it claims that the best driver is already installed. Alright then. Usually Realtek high definition audio drivers, they suck. They suck really bad. They're actually pretty horrible. Some people really like to use this Realtek audio manager and stuff, and that's fine. If you want to do that, I'm just gonna quickly show you how to basically do this. So go and click your Windows button, search for system information, and on this system information you can go down here and see baseboard model. Alright, it's not available. Fortunately, there is a little code that you can run instead. And this code looks like this, VMIC baseboard. It should tell you in system information the baseboard number. And if it doesn't, you will just have to grab PowerShell, paste in this code and click enter. And here you can see ASRock Z33OM ITXAC. Very nice. This is it. And the serial number. So here we have it. Take this and search with this for drivers. And among those drivers, you just take your motherboard's serial number and you search for the drivers online. When you have downloaded the drivers, these are all my drivers here. They look like something like this. Realtek audio. You go in here and you just run the setup.exe. So basically, now I ran this file and it uninstalled the drivers and it restarted the computer, so now we can install them again. Very nice. So basically, this driver doesn't support your system, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's nice. So then we know this driver doesn't work for this computer. If it does work for your system, you can try and use it. But personally, I think that Realtek's audio drivers usually cause a lot more problems than the things they give. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go into audio and input here, or sound and video game controllers. It's they're here and there. And then we're going to do like this. We go to speakers, Realtek high definition audio on audio inputs. Like this, we select drivers. We say update driver, browse for the drivers on this PC. Let me pick from a list of drivers on my computer, and then we're gonna select generic software device, and then we're gonna select next, and then we are going to select close. So now we're using some regular old drivers. That is kind of standard. We might want to go down here too to sound and video game controllers. We have Realtek high definition audio here. We do the same. We're gonna select update driver software, browse. Let me pick from locally high definition audio device. Select this one. Installing this driver is not recommended, but it's better. So we'll just click yes and then close. And there we have it. We have our high definition audio device instead of that Realtek driver. So now we can instead just close this thing down. So here we have it. Go into here, right click on this and click test. And it works perfectly. So that's how to fix cannot play test tone. It's usually a Realtek audio issue, and you'll just fix it by this. You can of course in many cases install the latest Realtek drivers and solve the issue, but you can see very clearly that in my case it doesn't even work. And I've downloaded the drivers for my motherboard from their homepage and it doesn't work. So well, whatever. I'll just use the high definition audio drivers instead. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like and do subscribe to this channel, because we're coming back with tech tutorials every Tuesday at least, so stay tuned for that. Well, in any case, I hope that this indeed solved your problem, and if it did, please leave a like and do subscribe for future videos. If anything, post in the comments, and I hope that this little requested video was really what you were looking for, and that it has helped you greatly. In any case, I'll see you next time. Gmodism signing out.